At Thompson Motor Speedway in Thompson, Connecticut, the sounds of engines and the shine of paint brought car enthusiasts together for Honda Fest. Everywhere you looked, rows of Hondas and Acuras filled the grounds, each one unique, each one telling its own cool story. From timeless classics to modern builds, the variety was endless. Colors that popped, styles that stood out, and years of innovation on full display. And there was even Hot Wheels replicas designed specifically to look like the Hot Wheels car, and they looked amazing. It wasn't just about cars, it was about the culture, the community, and the passion that unites Honda and Acura fans from every corner. Whether you came to showcase your build, admire the details, or simply take in the atmosphere, Honda Fest was a celebration of creativity, dedication, and love for the brand. It really was. This was the first time that I went to Honda Fest, and I personally loved it. The Honda and Acura culture is very different from a lot of the car cultures out there, and I think it plays a huge role in modern automotives. I believe that it's sometimes more affordable and more unique to work on modern Hondas as opposed to classic muscle. However, I really do believe the Honda culture brings a new generation of people and love for the automotive subject. This was more than a simple car show. This was Honda Fest, where every detail matters and every car has a place in the story. Whether it's a Honda Civic Type R, an Acura TLX, or even a right-hand drive minivan. All of these Hondas and Acuras were super cool. Honda has something for every car fan, with everything from smooth inline fours and high-revving VTEC engines to turbocharged and hybrid powertrains. These cars blend performance, style, and innovation with every ride.